So we got our portable AC units that we installed here at our Victoria site. Basically, the developer wanted to provide air conditioning to their tenants. This is a full rental building, 10-story. We couldn't figure out a way to get a heat pump installed. A lot of electrical issues involved, a lot of issues with obstructions, installing the heat pumps. So we kind of figured out a way to just do exterior penetration and allow for a portable AC to be hooked up. In the living rooms, as you can see, we have a sleeve that we put in, a 6-inch wall cap on the outside, and which allowed us to connect this air conditioning unit to the exterior. Now, this prevents tenants to be using the windows. They would have to open this window and install a full cage that would basically make this whole living room look ugly and allow for a lot of air leakage into the building. So this design for tenants is a really easy to install, first of all, really practical. Second of all, fully sealed, airtight. Fourth, such a clean look. Look at it. If you look at this, you only see the portable AC, just this angle. You don't see a hose that's like 4 feet high, and it just completely ruins the whole image of the living room. So you could even push this, because there were retractable hoses. So you can push this all the way in as well. So this allows for a more flush finish.